Hello everyone, my name is Anaira Pandey. I study in class 2A in Mount Terra G School, Motihari. Today I will give you a small speech about Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every 26th January. On this day, our constitution came into effect. Before this, India was ruled as per British laws. On this day, the president hoists the national flag to address the country. School, colleges and offices take interest and show their love to the nation. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Verma. I live in class 2B. My roll number is 8. My school name is Mount Terra School, Motihari. I tell us a speech for Republic Day. So let's start. Republic Day is a national festival of India which is celebrated every year on 26th January. On this day, the Constitution of India was introduced in the year 1950. On this day, government and private offices are closed. The regular is hoisted in the school, college, parliament building in the rest of the place and the national song. Photographers are drawn on the India Gate of Delhi. Our president addresses on the nation on this day. I feel very proud of the achievements and freedom fighters. We all must respect our constitution. The children are very happy for Republic Day. We must attend the school flag ceremony. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teacher and my dear friends. Happy Republic Day. My name is Mana Zalan. I am studying class 1. Today I am here to present a speech on Republic Day. Republic Day is a natural festival of India. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year in India. Our constitutions come into force on this day. Every year, this day is celebrated with great pride and happiness all over the nation. This day gives the message of unity and equality. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Kushak Swartha from class 2A. Today I would like to speak about Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year to remember the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. India was ruled by the British for over 200 years and gained independence on August 15, 1947. The Constitution came into effect on January 26, 1950. This year we are celebrating our 72 Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated throughout the country as our national festival with lots of enthusiasm and grandeur. On this great occasion, we remember our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives on this day. Let's show our proud and respect to our national constitution. Let us be proud to be Indians. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my respected principal, sir, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Anvi. In start to Republic Day on 26 January in 1950, India became a denotes republic. We adopt our conscience on that day. Since then, 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day
Every year, the priest on India on full the national flag in Delhi at Virok Chowk. On this day, a special prayer is held where and tank gum and millions are develops school children from on Rajpath, children who reverse brave award ride on elephant in the position. Republic Day is celebrated in all the state capital, school, college and preposition. आजादी के हवा आजादी को के खुली हवा में निकले सीना ताल के हम बच्चे हिंदुस्तान के जय जय भारत जय हिंदुस्तान।
Hello everyone, I am Aryanza, student of first class in Maharaj School, Mutihari. Happy Republic Day to all of you. आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Thank you. Good morning, respected principal, sir, teacher, and my dear friends. Happy Republic Day. My name is Manas Ran. I am studying class 1. Today I am here to present a speech on Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year in India. Our constitution come into force on this day. Every year this day is celebrated with great pride and happiness all over the nation. This day gives the message of unity and equality. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Athar Kachir from class 2C, roll number 17 from Amazon's Mutihari, and I am here to sing a national song for Republic Day. So let's start. Jana Gana Mana Adinayek Jai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttal Vanga विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा ऊंचल जल ही तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे आए तब जय दाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय 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 हे. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, good morning, respected principal sir, teacher and my dear friends. Myself Akriti Kumari, I am from class 2C. We are celebrating Republic Day. Today I am going to tell some words on Republic Day. Let's begin. Republic Day is our national festival in India. Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th January every year in India. On this day, our national flag hosted. We sing Jana Gana on this day. On this day, India's constitution came into force. I tell a happy Republic Day to all of you. Thank you.
हम लोगों को सुन सको तो हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी उनको देते कभी जबर से पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे उनका चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। हम याद गाड़ी और कुछ पैसे भी, हम ऐसे भी हैं, हम हैं वैसे भी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, किसी की जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है थोड़ी बेईमानी। आंखों में कुछ आंसू है कुछ सपने हैं, आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। आंखों में कुछ आंसू है कुछ सपने हैं, आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। दिखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, थोड़ी मजबूरी है लेकिन थोड़ी है मनमानी। थोड़ी तू मैं है और थोड़ी भी जापानी, हमने काफी बातें हैं जो लगती है दीवानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
Hello everyone, myself Ishan Kaushik from class 2A and that is Motihari, and I am going to present a speech on Republic Day. So first of all, I wish you a happy Republic Day. So let's start. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January. On the year 1950, the India get her own rule because Dr. Bhim Rai Dinkar do a new rule for India. We ate jalebis on this day and we hold the flag, and in the college we say the Jana Gana Mana and school too. Thank you.
Good morning, my respected principal sir, and teachers and my friends. I am going to introduce about Republic Day. I am Kavya Jha from class 2, second B, roll number 20. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. The Republic Day is the national festival of India. The Constitution is come into force on this day. The national flag hosted and sung the national song and national anthem. I wish you all happy Republic Day. Thank you. Bye bye.
दुश्मन के लिए तलवार है हम, मैदान में अगर हम मैदान में अगर हम कट जाए, दिल भर के लिए दिलदार है हम, दुश्मन के लिए तलवार है हम, मैदान में अगर हम कट जाए, मुश्किल है कि पीछे हट जाए। पेड़ों पे बहाने झूलों की, राहों में कतारें फूलों की, यहाँ हंसता है सावन, यहाँ हंसता है सावन, बालों में खिलती हैं कलियां गालों में।
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Natikwa from class 2. Today I am going to tell about Republic Day. Republic Day is national festival of our country. It is celebrated on 6 January every year. Our country became free 15 August 1947, but our constitution was 26 January 1950. After on this day, India became a secular and democratic country. On this occasion, our president hosts national flag on Red Fort in Delhi. We celebrate Republic Day in our schools, colleges with joy and happiness. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Ishan Kaushik is going to do a dialogue on Republic Day. So let's start.
हम इस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज ही दंगा रहता है, जहां रोज रोज अखबारों में स्कैमों का पंगा रहता है, जहां आम आदमी सड़कों पे आधा सा नंगा रहता है। इस हाल में भी, इस दौर में भी हर दिल में तिरंगा रहता है।
Hello everyone, myself Ishan Kaushik and I am going to present a song on Republic Day. So let's start. गणतंत्र की आंधी चली, सबका मन खुशियाया। 26 जनवरी 1950 में ऐसा शुभ दिन आया। एक तरफ चल रही थी जय भारत की नारा, दूसरी तरफ गांधी जी ने अंग्रेजों को मारा। थैंक यू। Hello everyone, myself Ishan Kaushik from class 2 MNZS Motihari and I am going to tell you a speech on Republic Day. So first of all, I wish you a happy Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. On the year 1950, we get our rule because the Bhim Rai Ambedkar gave the our rule of India. We eat jalebis on this day and we host flag in our school and college.
नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मार मार के, मंजिल से पहले ना हूँगा कभी दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाएं थम 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 थम, नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। मेरे संग। जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
Hello everyone, myself Ishan Kaushik from class 2A. I'm at Smriti Hari and I am going to perform a dance on the song India Wale. So let's start.
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज है। जानेला हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यार बाज हम चाल साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हम